Okay, hello students. Today we will discuss about the sa-1 question papers, physics and bio. Recently 10th class students have written your essay exam, physics and bio. Okay, this is the physics paper. Some important points I'll show you, and how to get the 10 GB in your board examination, that I'll show the tips. Okay, so anyhow, these are some of the questions what already you have written, and this ray diagrams, in one of the video I have shown you ray diagrams. Okay, question, and this question answer you can get on page number 17 in reader, physics reader. If you see in physics reader textbook on page number 17 you will find this diagram. Okay, the ray diagrams, many ray diagrams are there. Okay, object locations and everything clearly they are given in that on that page. Okay, and the second question he has given, define the exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. This on page number 27 you will get it. Okay, and the third, sun appears white during the noon hours. Why? This answer also is there on page number 103. Looking like a general question, but this answer is there on page number 103. Very easy one answer. Do you know what happens during noon time? Question is, sun appears white during the noon hours. Actually, why? So in the noon hour, the distance to be traveled by the sun rays in the atmosphere is less than the compared to the morning and the evening hours. So all the colors, reach your eye without much scattering. Okay, that's the reason you can find only the white color. It looks totally white in color. That's the general answer for this. Sun appears white during noon hours, and why? Like example, like water is there, oceans, seas are there. They look blue in color. Okay, because of scattering of number of light in that, so it looks blue in color. Anyhow, this all the three questions are there in the reader textbook. Like that. Here another question is there. Write the uses of sodium hydroxide carbonate. This answer is uses completely is in the textbook page number 51. Okay, on page number 51 all the uses he has given, clearly he has given. Then ray diagram, once again one of the ray diagram is there on page number 69. You can find this one. Okay, this answer is there completely. This answer is in reader here. And the sixth answer is a general one here. Like, see, observe the given table. What he is asking here, write the answer here. Questions are, write the valency of oxygen. So what is the valency of oxygen? 2. Already we know that valency is 2 here. Then write the element which satisfy the octet configuration. Octet means 8. Okay, and the answer is neon. So check this last two orbital here. 2s2, 2p6, 6 plus 2, 8. This is the last one. Okay, this is the one orbit, this is the second orbit, KLMN. I think you remember this one. So last orbit, outermost orbit should have the 8 electrons here. So like 2p6, 2s2, 6 plus 2, 8. So this is the answer for that. Then next one he has given, identify the element belonging to the halogen family. Nothing but chlorine. Okay, along with the chlorine many other elements also are there. Then write the group number of sodium is the 1. Okay, this is a group number 1. And this answer also is there on the in your textbook reader. Okay, then essay questions are there. Write the material required to observe the reaction of acid with metal. Explain the procedure and result. Long answers carries 6 marks. So a perfect answer and brief answer, a good answer is given in the reader, page number 35. Okay, on page number 35 you can find this answer in textbook in reader. Question is there here, a 20 centimeter tall object. This I will solve this problem, I will show you. Okay, clear? Then on 141 page number you will find this one. Explain the ionization energy and the factors that affect the ionization energy of an element. Okay, this question also you can find one for. Why I am showing these page numbers, this indicate that all these questions, whatever they are giving, government are preparing this type of a questions here, they are preparing from the reader only, textbook only. They are not following the workbook or any guide or any material like that here. So the students who are getting the very good marks are trying to get the 10 GB in board examination. Just follow the reader only, textbook only. Read the lessons perfectly here, paragraph perfectly. Try to understand the lines perfectly here. Then you can able to answer each and every question if you follow the reader. Okay, workbook, many questions they are giving in workbooks and materials like that. 100 of questions are there. But the government is selecting the questions and topic from the textbook, only reader. So better you check the reader, check the lesson perfectly, line by line you check the lesson here, check properly, and then you can answer any type of question what the government is giving to you. So these are the page numbers what I have shown to you. They are in the reader. Same like this in biological science also the same thing. This also from the reader. Okay. First question: what precautions you have taken to show the carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis experiment? On page number 6 you can find this is one of the long questions, essay type question. How can you prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis? I think you remember this question. So in that every answer you will be in 4 or 5 steps you can complete these long answers like aim, requirements, procedure, result, conclusions, observations. These are in that we can complete your answer here. So in that he is asking only the precautions. What precautions we have to take? Okay, what are the main precautions? What are the main precautions here now? Okay, the part of the leaf. Okay, when we are inserting the leaf here, a long narrow leaf. I think you remember this answer. So a long narrow leaf. When we insert the leaf here, see that the leaf lamina part, tip part of the leaf, very tip of the part of the leaf. This is the leaf. Okay, this tip part, this is the lamina part, this is the basal part. Okay, tip of the leaf should not touch the KOH solution. KOH solution, potassium hydroxide solution. This is one precaution. Okay, another thing is that the apparatus should be kept airtight by applying the grease or Vaseline on the rim of the bottle. Okay, the rim of the bottle. Here we keep the rubber, split rubber cork here. Here we have to apply the Vaseline or grease to it so that it should be airtight. What does the airtight means here? Outside air should not go inside and inside air should not go outside. That is called airtight. Only these 2 precautions are there for this. I hope you understood. And next question. Suggestions are there now. See, general question he has given. What suggestion do you give to prevent the heart attack, cardiac arrest? Okay. Circulatory system in that lesson, the topic of heart is given clearly. Okay. So suggestions you have to give. A number of suggestions are there. Many suggestions you can get. Like a few suggestions you can tell. Don't smoke or use tobacco like that, and eat a healthy food. Okay, diet you can tell, balanced diet you can tell. Okay, and maintain the healthy weight. Okay, and give the quality sleep. Okay, nearly 6 to 8 hours sleep should be there, and manage stress. Don't take the stress at all, Okay, mainly the students will take the stress of examination, isn't it? How many marks will get? This type of stress should be clear. These are the few suggestions. Then you will get the perfect marks. 3 marks you will get it. 3 mark question I think. Yes, 2 mark question. You will get the 2 mark for that. Then the next one 4 marks. Okay, each answer carries 4 marks. This third question here, what would happen if harmful materials are not removed from the body? Kidney, excretory lesson in that you can find on page number 79. Okay, page number 79 you can find this answer. Perfect answer is there. Then how do the reflexes saves us from the danger or accident in our daily life? Clear. This you can find on page number 106. Reflex action, reflex arc, a little bit different here. Okay, what is reflex action here? Immediate action. Okay, immediate action when you have taken to prevent from the dangerous stimuli. It's said to be as a reflex action. So you can. And fifth answer, also this complete paragraph is there in the reader. Okay, in the test tube, this complete paragraph from link is vital link between from the 2 tissues. A total paragraph is there in your reader. Okay, on page number 64. Okay, all the clever, those who are planning to get the 10 GB, once again I'm telling you, check the reader. Check the reader, it's very important. If you check the reader, you can score a good marks, very good marks here. So few questions are there. All the questions you can get from the reader. Next, 46 page number, you can find this question. Write the differences between respiration and photosynthesis. 10 to 12 points are there for this answer, or up to 15 points you can write here. But 4 marks answer, you can write up to 6 points you can write it. And this difference on page number 46, biology textbook in the reader you can find there, page number 46. Like that, some essay type questions are there, each carries 6 marks. First question, what changes does the food undergoes in the alimentary canal during the various enzymatic actions? Okay, number of enzymes are produced while digestion process starts. Okay, actually digestion once you eat the food, it takes nearly 3 to 4 hours to digest the food, but that only because of the enzymes. Otherwise the food will digest it takes nearly 7 to 8 hours. but because of the catalyst which present in our stomach, nothing but enzymes, different types of enzymes produced by glands here, no? So they produced by organs here, no? And they'll help you see. Clear? This answer you will find on page number 15. On page number 15 in bio textbook you will find this answer. Next answer, write the procedure and precaution. See, procedure and precaution. Sometimes the government is asking write the procedure or precaution, observation, conclusion, and this all thing. Or sometimes directly they'll give the answer. Explain briefly how can you prepare the how the carbon dioxide essential for photosynthesis. That means full answer you have to write. But sometimes they're asking to write only procedure, precaution, sometimes observation, conclusion. Okay, this all they can give you. Anyhow, procedure and precautions you will show the heat is liberated during respiration in your school lab. So on page number 46 you will find this answer with the diagram. Diagram also is there, answer also is there. Then draw a label diagram of a human brain and write briefly about its structure. This also is there on page number 107. Okay, the perfect answer is there. Okay, clear? Hope you understood. If you want to get a good marks, a perfect marks here, just follow the reader. Okay, test book, read the lesson. Once your teacher explain the lesson, after going home, verify the lesson. Check all each and every point, whatever your teacher told, and some extra points also you can find in that here. Keep the dictionary with you. Check the word. If you're not understanding any tough word, find out the meaning and check it out here. Okay, definitely you will get the 10 GB then. Okay, all the best. Thank you.